Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change display text size in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to display and brightness. Display and brightness, and here select font. Display size, and here display text size is already set to standard. If you want to use small size, click on the next one, and display text size will be minimized. Okay, has been reduced. If you want to use larger font that is text size for messaging, that is for normal messaging and WhatsApp messaging, use first option, so that large display text size will be shown to you. Okay, so in this way you can easily change display text size. If you want to keep in the default text size, select the middle one, standard one, so that it is standard for display text size for our phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.